Good day, viewers. On this lecture, I'm going to show you on description meta tag, how to creatively describe your website with meta title and description. Description meta tag, how to creatively describe your website with meta title and description in SEO. So let's get started. And before we get started, remember to subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell to receive new updates, new videos from me. And remember, you need to be familiar with WordPress, because I want to make use of WordPress for this tutorial. WordPress. So what we need is content. We need meta tag. For example, now let's search for this. Okay, let's search for a title on Google. What I really mean about this lecture on Google, you can see here is it. This is title and this is descriptions. Title, description, how it look, how your website is going to look like this, and description. So let's get started. Remember to subscribe. Okay, so I have my article ready. Here's my article. Here is copy the title. Remember, this is new page. I want to add a new post. Here is my title, and I write my content. Here is my content. Here is my content. You can see here is my title and here is my content. So the next thing, remember the main purpose of this lecture. The main purpose of this lecture is how to creatively describe your website. Description meta tag on SEO. So I'm making use of plugin, which is rank maths plugin. Here is it. It's going to have this. So okay, I'm making use of I'm making use of Yoast. This is Yoast. So what the next thing to do is, here is the title, SEO title. Our SEO title is here. Here is our SEO title, the man guides. Just copy the SEO title and paste the SEO title here. SEO title. Okay, good. Here is the SEO title. You can see the preview is here. Here is the preview, the description, the desktop result here, and this is the mobile result. There is the mobile result. And the next thing, we have our slug automatically listed here. The next thing is meta description. Our meta description, you can copy the first part of the first paragraph. Just click on copy and paste it here. Meta description. Paste here. Paste inside here. Here is it. For us to minimize this, to you have to make it as green like this. Just cut from you can see. Here is our description. Desktop, you can see. Or you can go to a site ceomofo.com. ceomofo.com. It's going to redirect you to highervisibility.com. Here is it. Google Search Snippet optimization tool. Just scroll down and paste it. It's going to show you how your website is going to show, how your post is going to show, display on Google.com. So let's go to our post again. copy our title. Here's our title. Just copy our title and go to this. Our title here. Let's see. That's our title. Our URL. What's our URL? Our URL. Let's make use of google.com. Our URL. That's our URL. And okay, the URL, I mean the snippets. Let's go here. The post, remember there is it. The post, here is our URL. Just copy this long, referring to this, go and paste here. Then the next thing is this, our description. Go to here and copy our first description. Just copy and paste here. You can see. So rich snippets. You can see. Where is it? Yes. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like on Google search engine. Remember our title. Here is our title. Here is our URL. Let's say google.com/ yes. There's it. This is how it's going to look like. You can see here it's going to look like this. Is our description, as you can see. So remember, we put rich snippets. You can remove this. You can see how it's going to look like. This is mobile, and this is our title, our description, and this is the mobile result. There is the mobile result. And the next thing, we have our slug automatically listed here. The next thing is meta description. Our meta description can copy the first part of the first paragraph. Just click on copy and paste it here. Meta description. Paste here. Paste inside here. There is it. For us to minimize this to, you have to make it as green like this. Just cut from, you can see here is our description, desktop, you can see. Or you can go to a site ceomofo.com. ceomofo.com. It's going to redirect you to highervisibility.com. Here is it. Google Search Snippets Optimization Tool. Just scroll down and paste it. It's going to show you how your website is going to show, how your post is going to show display on google.com. So let's go to our post again. Copy our title. Here's our title. Just copy our title and go to this. Our title here. You can see that's our title. Our URL. What's our URL? Our URL. Let's make use of google.com. Our URL. That's our URL. And okay, the URL, I mean the snippets. Let's go here. The post, remember there is it. The post, here is our URL. Just copy this long, referring to this, go and paste here. Then the next thing is this, our description. Go to here and copy our first description. Just copy and paste here. You can see. So rich snippets. You can see. Where is it? Yes. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like on Google search engine. Remember our title. Here is our title. Here Here is our URL. Let's say google.com/. Yes. Exit. This is how it's going to look like. You can see here it's going to look like this. Is our description, as you can see. So remember, we put rich snippets and remove this. You can see how it's going to look like. This is mobile, and this is our title, our description, and our website. This is desktop. Our title, here's our title, our description, here's our description, and our website snippets. This is the same thing I did on the post here. You can see this is how it looks like. Our description, our title, our description, and our log, which is website title. So the next thing is our keyword. What is our keyword? Let's say our keyword is just go for our keyword. Then copy this, paste to our keyword. That's our keyword. Keyword paste. That's our keyword. So the next thing is click on publish. Click on publish. Hope you learned from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned the description meta tag, how to creatively describe your website on Google search engine. Hope you learned. Thank you for watching. Bye.